No more guessing, no more surprises. Integrate real-world data like topography and GIS. With 3D modeling, your design fits perfectly into its environment before a single stake is driven. Simulate your construction schedule. Visualize each phase and detect conflicts before they become costly delays. With model-based cost estimation, material takeoffs and budgets are more accurate, saving time and money across the project lifecycle. From smart cities to major highways, leading firms are already embracing 3D modeling to drive innovation and efficiency. Don't get left behind. Upgrade your next project with 3D modeling. Start today and build smarter.